All right, welcome into Kulali. It's day one of real work. First step, we're going to remove this engine, and I've got the forklift sticking through here. So the idea is we'll connect that chain block to there, lift it up with that so it's hanging, put a bit of wood across there, right? Good. Step one complete. After we do that, we will move the engine down to there, where the fork can reach above there, hopefully. Yeah, I think so. And then we're gonna lift straight up and out. Easy. Two-stage lift. Two-stage lift. All right, here's an update. That's been raised up. I need to raise that higher. So I should have had this up on there, I think. Maybe, or there. Because that's not gonna get high enough to be able to be slid out. Oh, it's a bit of a nightmare.
Be straight onto the stump.
Yeah.
Just lower it.
Okay. Brought the expert in, that's David. If you want things done safely, you give him a call. So we've got the motor to that position now, and the idea is we're going to lift it up, straight up to this position, and then we're going to side shift out here, go backwards without hitting all this stuff. Maybe I'll get a transport cloth, I'll do that, and then out there, down, done. So we're just cranking this engine up to this. This will be I don't know, what do you call this? Cockpit hatch? Cockpit hatch. Stop for a mash brewing taste. This is a IPA, only a 3.75%. Ooh, wastage. Very light, bit fruity on the end there. Great note though. Fits the orange colour.
Engine, death trap. Lots of work. Smiling man. Everyone's watching, man. This is the moment of truth.
Yeah.
Does your forklift go high enough to lift this motor out of the boat?
Who knows?
Who knows?
Find out in the next video.
Yeah, subscribe to find out. I don't think it's going to make it, Mark. You haven't got enough length.
Not enough girth on this big girl. Mate, so all that joking and it actually doesn't get any higher than that, so we're not going to be able to get it over.
It's a bit short.
So you... Oh.
In the water? With the crane? Alright, you're going to have to come down.
Well done, team. We got DRC lifting services over there.
That was a bit more fun than expected.
Yeah, that was a bit of a strategy. How was it, David? Light, de-stressful. Everything's blue. Blue rag, blue boat, blue motor. Yes. Yep, there she is. The motor. This actuates back and forth to control the propeller. Yep. And she's out. Next time, we're going to do more.